Imagine having a toolbox filled with gadgets that simplify your life, like something out of a sci-fi movie. From smart notebooks to pocket-sized microscopes, these cool inventions are not only fun, but incredibly useful. Did you know there's a portable fan that folds and fits in your pocket? Let's dive into 20 of the coolest Amazon gadgets that can make your everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Number 1. Rocketbook Core Reusable Smart Notebook. The Rocketbook Core Reusable Smart Notebook is an innovative and eco-friendly solution for note-takers. This notebook allows you to write, scan, and erase your notes, making it reusable. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who loves jotting down ideas. The notebook comes with a special pen and a microfiber cloth to wipe the pages clean. You can easily upload your notes to cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Evernote using the Rocketbook app. This notebook helps reduce paper waste and keeps your notes organized digitally. Price $27.18. Number 2. KitchenGizmo Snap and Strain. The KitchenGizmo Snap and Strain is a practical kitchen gadget that makes straining pasta and vegetables a breeze. This silicone colander clips onto pots, pans, and bowls, allowing you to drain water easily without transferring food to a separate colander. It is heat-resistant and dishwasher safe, making it both convenient and easy to clean. The compact design saves space and makes it easy to store. Whether you're boiling pasta or washing vegetables, this gadget simplifies your kitchen tasks. Price $9.99. Number 3. Carson Micro Mini 20x LED Lighted Pocket Microscope. The Carson Micro Mini 20x LED Lighted Pocket Microscope is a tiny but powerful gadget perfect for exploring the microscopic world. It offers 20x magnification and features a built-in UV light and LED flashlight. This pocket-sized microscope is ideal for kids, students, and hobbyists who want to examine small objects closely. It's compact and portable, making it easy to carry anywhere. Use it to study plants, insects, or everyday items in great detail. This gadget is educational and fun for curious minds. Price $10.49. Number 4. Gerber Gear Dime 12-in-1 Mini Multi-Tool. The Gerber Gear Dime 12-in-1 Mini Multi-Tool is a versatile and compact tool designed for everyday carry. It includes 12 functions such as needle nose pliers, a pocket knife, scissors, and a bottle opener, and more. This multi-tool is perfect for outdoor adventures, DIY projects, and emergencies. It's small enough to fit on your keychain, ensuring you always have it on hand when needed. The Gerber Gear Dime is made from durable materials and is built to last, making it a reliable companion. Price $25. Jemmy, the official BS button. The Jemmy, the official BS button, is a humorous desk accessory perfect for calling out nonsense in a fun way. When pressed, the button loudly declares BS in various phrases, adding a touch of humor to your workplace or home. It's a great gag gift for coworkers or friends who appreciate a good laugh. The button is easy to use and provides a lighthearted way to express disbelief or disagreement. Whether at the office or during social gatherings, this button is sure to entertain. Price $9.46. Number 6. GAOP Portable Handheld Fan. The GAOP Portable Handheld Fan is a versatile and convenient cooling solution for any situation. This fan features a foldable design, making it easy to carry and store in your bag. It has a powerful motor that delivers strong airflow to keep you cool on hot days. The fan is rechargeable with a built-in 2000 mAh battery, ensuring you have a portable cooling option wherever you go. It's perfect for outdoor activities, travel, or simply using around the house. With its compact size and efficient performance, the GAOP Portable Handheld Fan is a must-have gadget for staying cool. Price $13.99. Number 7. LCFUN Waterproof Lighter. The LCFUN Waterproof Lighter is a durable and reliable lighter designed for outdoor use. It features a dual-arc electric flame that is windproof and waterproof, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and survival situations. The lighter is USB rechargeable, eliminating the need for fuel refills. Its compact and robust design ensures it can withstand harsh conditions. Whether you're lighting a campfire or a stove, this lighter is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Price $8.41. Number 8. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker is a compact and efficient kitchen gadget that makes perfect mini waffles in minutes. Its non-stick surface ensures easy release and quick cleanup. Simply plug it in, let it heat up, and pour in your batter for delicious waffles. It's great for quick breakfasts, snacks, or even creative recipes like waffle sandwiches. The Waffle Maker comes in a variety of fun colors and is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or family use. Price $9.99. Number 9. Ecolution Patented Micro-Pop Microwave Popcorn Popper. The Ecolution Patented Micro-Pop Microwave Popcorn Popper is a convenient and healthy way to make popcorn at home. Made from temperature-safe glass, this popcorn popper allows you to make popcorn without oil, reducing calories. Its 3-in-1 lid measures kernels, melts butter, and acts as a cover to prevent splattering. The popper is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Enjoy fresh hot popcorn in just a few minutes with this easy-to-use gadget. Price $15.99. Number 10. KitchenGizmo's Bluetooth Beanie Hat. The KitchenGizmo's Bluetooth Beanie Hat combines warmth and wireless music for outdoor activities. It features built-in Bluetooth speakers that connect to your smartphone, allowing you to listen to music or take calls hands-free. This beanie is made from soft, comfortable material and provides excellent sound quality. It's perfect for winter sports, running, or commuting in cold weather. This beanie makes a great gift for anyone who enjoys music on the go. Price $9.26. Number 11. Altin Magnetic RGB LED Video Light. The Altin Magnetic RGB LED Video Light is a versatile lighting solution for photography and videography. It offers 360-degree full color with adjustable brightness and temperature settings. The magnetic design allows you to attach it to any metal surface for hands-free use. It's perfect for creating dynamic lighting effects or enhancing your video shoots. The light is portable, rechargeable, and easy to control via the built-in buttons or a mobile app. Price $17.93. Number 12. Thanks Tom's LED Flashlight Gloves. Thanks Tom's LED flashlight gloves are designed for hands-free lighting in dark or tight spaces. They have built-in LED lights on the index finger and thumb, making them ideal for tasks like repair work, fishing, or camping. The gloves are comfortable and adjustable to fit different hand sizes. They provide bright, focused light exactly where you need it, allowing you to work efficiently without holding a flashlight. These gloves are a practical and thoughtful gift for anyone who needs to work in low-light conditions. Price $12.99. Number 13. Vibelight Extendable Magnetic Flashlight. The Vibelight Extendable Magnetic Flashlight is a versatile tool for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who needs to retrieve small metal objects in hard-to-reach places. It features a telescoping design that extends to pick up screws, nails, and other metal items. The flashlight also provides bright LED light to illuminate your workspace. It's compact, portable, and essential for any toolbox. This gadget makes a great gift for handymen and women. Price $16.99. Number 14. Magnetic Pickup Tool with LED. The Magnetic Pickup Tool with LED is a practical gadget for retrieving small metal objects in dark or hard-to-reach areas. It combines a powerful magnet with a bright LED light to help you find and pick up items like screws, nails, or keys. The tool is extendable, making it easy to reach into tight spaces. It's perfect for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who frequently works with small metal parts. This tool is a handy addition to any toolkit. Price $14.99. Number 15. Tools GIFs Magnetic Wristband. The Tools GIFs Magnetic Wristband is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It holds screws, nails, and other small metal objects, keeping them within easy reach while you work. The wristband is made from durable, breathable material and features strong magnets that securely hold metal items. It's perfect for carpentry, construction, or any task that involves working with small metal parts. This wristband makes a practical and thoughtful gift for handymen and women. Price $9.99. Number 16. Hair Catcher Bathroom Tub Strainer. The Hair Catcher Bathroom Tub Strainer is a simple yet effective solution for preventing clogged drains. This strainer fits over your bathtub drain and catches hair and other debris, keeping your pipes clear. It's easy to install and clean, making it a convenient addition to any bathroom. The strainer is made from durable, flexible material that fits most standard drains. It's a great way to maintain your plumbing and avoid costly repairs. Price $354. Number 7. Slice Mini Box Cutter. The Slice Mini Box Cutter is a compact, safe, and efficient tool for opening packages and cutting materials. It features a ceramic blade that stays sharp longer than metal blades and is less likely to cause injuries. The box cutter is small enough to fit on a keychain, making it easy to carry and access whenever you need it. It's perfect for everyday tasks, from opening boxes to cutting through packaging. This gadget is a practical addition to any household or workspace. Price $18.99. Number 18. Master Lock Portable Small Lock Box. The Master Lock Portable Small Lock Box provides secure storage for small valuables like keys, cash, and credit cards. It features a combination lock for easy access and portability. The lockbox is perfect for travel, outdoor activities, or everyday use. It's made from durable materials and designed to protect your belongings from theft. Whether you are at the gym, on vacation, or just need a safe place to store your items, this lockbox offers peace of mind. Price $25.99. Number 19. Oxo Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. The Oxo Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer makes preparing avocados quick and easy. This handy tool splits, pits, and slices avocados with ease. The comfortable grip and stainless steel blade ensure safe and efficient use. It's perfect for making guacamole, avocado toast, and other avocado-based dishes. The slicer is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. This gadget is a must-have for avocado lovers and makes a great gift for foodies. Price $9.99. Number 20. AOTO Splat Jar Spatula. The AOTO Splat Jar Spatula is a fun and functional kitchen tool designed for scooping and spreading. Its unique design features a flexible flat edge that reaches into the corners of jars, ensuring you get every last bit of your favorite spreads. The spatula is made from BPA-free, food-safe materials and is dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. It's perfect for peanut butter, jam, and other sticky foods. This gadget adds a touch of whimsy to your kitchen while being incredibly practical. Price $17.34. Stay tuned for more amazing gadgets that blend fun with functionality, making life a bit easier and a lot cooler.